I've recently moved into the town centre, Porthome Drive. I lived at 71 Doncaster Road, Selby before that, and Preston Baker sold my house. The launch day was on a Saturday and it was very well organised. I was kept well informed about the time and how many people were going to be viewing it. I was out for the day, which I was advised to be out. It was better, less nerve-wracking for me, I can assure you. And they produced two potential buyers who had houses to sell, but also the buyer who eventually bought the house, who was a cash buyer, who didn't attend on the day but attended on the Monday. So that was successful launch day. Well, Matt rung me straight away in the afternoon to say this gentleman was interested, and he actually put an offer in just below the asking price. But Matt knew my financial situation and was quite assured that he would get the full asking price, which he did. So I had a return call within 30 minutes, I think, and we were all very happy that the sale went through because the house had only been on the market for 3 weeks. Yeah, I've actually recommended Preston Baker to all my friends who were thinking of selling, because it was a very positive experience and they were brilliant.